Hello all! Welcome to our channel, Adbutaha Foodies. Today I am sharing the most powerful mask to remove wrinkles. Banana peel and cornstarch will make you look young no matter your age. We need a banana peel. Bananas contain a high percentage of collagen. Bananas peel contains vitamin C and potassium. Cut the banana peel into small slices. Banana peel delays the appearance of signs of aging. Bananas are rich in vitamins and minerals, which helps lighten the skin and eliminate pigmentation. Put the banana peel into bowl. Add 2 tsp of rice. Add a cup of water. Mix the ingredients. Boil the ingredients on the low flame. Cool the mixture. Blend it in mixer and make a creamy mixture. Add 1 tsp of cornstarch. Cornstarch softens the skin and removes dead cells. Mix the ingredients well. We need a lemon. Add half lemon juice. Lemon contains vitamin C, removes wrinkles under the eyes. Add 1 tsp of milk powder. Milk powder removes dark spots, pigmentation. Mix the ingredients well. Apply the creamy mixture to your skin. Apply it to the skin of face and neck. Massage your skin with this mixture for 2 minutes. Leave it on your skin for 30 minutes. Wash your skin with warm water. Repeat this twice a week. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.